And then the most fun about writing the Genius poems was having him talk about me, because it's kind of fun to like talk about yourself from the perspective of somebody else. So whenever he says she, he's talking about me. Secret. So the Genius shares his opinion of astrology. And you know what else? She's all proud to be a Gemini. She tells everyone as if Crazy was a prize show horse she wants to tie up in the front yard. Why would anyone want to feel things twice? Like, yes, I'll have the electric chair and the sphere. I'll take the food poisoning and the arsenic. May I please fall in love with two different people at the same time until love is peeling itself away from me in all directions like I am a fucking banana or a wishbone. Some days I feel sorry for her. I really do. She doesn't realize it, but she is starving. She's got too many mouths to feed on that head of hers. She's got too many heads on that vase of a neck. Must be like making love to a puppet show.